Today we're gonna be swapping my gauge cluster. I'll show you guys why, and I'm gonna try to do like a install video. Not really that good at explaining things, but hopefully you guys get what I'm saying. And I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna be using. So guys, these are the tools that we're gonna be using for this install. These little screwdrivers to remove plastics on the sides, flathead just in case, regular screwdriver, extension, ratchet with a 10mm. This you don't really need it, it's just a magnet in case I lose one of the bolts. And yeah, here's the new cluster. As you know, mine is cracked there, and the lights don't tell me if my gas or how hot the car is, so that's why I'm gonna be swapping it, because I can't stand to look at this thing anymore. It's just an eyesore, to be honest. So yeah, so the first thing we're gonna do is I have to remove this. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these little plastics on the side. There's one on this side too. There. And that's gonna expose some screws that we need to remove. And then I think there's one on the bottom as well, so I'm gonna start working on that right now. So you guys can see, once you tilt the steering wheel, you should have clearance to poke this out. After you remove the plastic, you just unscrew. So guys, once you're done with those two, you can remove this one at the bottom. And so after that, we're gonna loosen up this bottom shroud, and we should be able to remove this cover. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So you guys can see it's just mainly clips, but yeah, I need both hands to do this, so I'm gonna cut it to where I can get it loose. So guys, you have to use a little bit of force, not a lot, but you just pull it from here and it comes out. Yeah, and then after that, I think we can start trying to remove this part. Show you guys. So, hey guys, after a little bit of struggle, I got it out. You just basically gotta push it down from the sides and then down towards you, because if not, this piece is gonna get stuck. And that's pretty much it. Now there's 4 bolts at the bottom and a clip there. So as you guys can see, I already loosened up all the bolts. I can just grab them by hand now, just to make sure they don't fall anywhere over here. But yes, I just removed all the bolts. Now I'm gonna undo this clip, which I might be able to do by hand, and then I can literally just disconnect the cluster. Okay guys, so I just disconnected the battery and I'm literally about to remove this. I think there's just 2 connectors, so I'm gonna show you guys. So here it is, guys. This is the old cluster. It's out, and I'm gonna show you what you're gonna have to remove. So basically, these 2 connectors, super easy. Honestly, you can do it with one hand, so you can hold the cluster with one hand and take them off with the other hand. You don't really need a screwdriver if you want to, but they're pretty easy. They're not like hard clips to remove. Guys, it's all done. I already put everything back. This is the old cluster. This is the new cluster. It looks amazing. And look at this. Oops, my bad. Go. Heck yeah. Everything works. Everything looks good. I can see my gas. I can see my temps now. I really love this now. Let's go. And let's mouse. Now I have to program the mouse. So if you swap a cluster, you're gonna have to go to Nissan probably to get the mouse from your car, right? So I'm gonna keep my old cluster. I'm probably not gonna do that now, because I mean, it's my own car. I don't really care about the mouse. But yeah, just to let you guys know, that's how it looks. As you guys can see, everything is working fine on the gauge. So I'm pretty happy about that. Did have the check engine light on before. I just reset my code, so that's why it's not showing now. But yeah, so I just turned on the car. The car is cold, and this is how much gas I have left. Let me move this. Perfect. Everything works. I can finally see this thing, man. That was driving me crazy. The fact that I couldn't see any of these, and like it's just an eyesore to look at that crack screen. And just letting you guys know, you don't have to pay a lot for this. Just literally try to find one on Facebook Market, eBay, or OfferUp. I literally got this one on eBay for $75. As you can see, it looks pretty much brand new. 57,000 miles. So like I said, you might have to go to your dealer to get that set up with the right miles. But I mean, it's literally plug and play, man. So if you have a bad gauge cluster, literally change it, man. Super easy. Literally, it's gonna take you like 10 minutes, and it's gonna make a huge difference when you drive the car.